Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ingredients Inside. If you haven't pressed the subscribe button, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any important update regarding any cosmetic product available in the market. So friends, today I'm gonna review Colorescience Brush On Sunscreen. Probably a very planned sunscreen, a good sunscreen. Brush on sunscreen, a powder sunscreen. Is it worth it? I'm gonna tell you everything on this video, so watch till the end. We are looking at a sunscreen that is powder sunscreen, and brush you can apply it with a brush. Water resistant is 80 minutes, fight skin aging, mess free powder. You will not spill the powder anywhere, the powder will not get spilled anywhere, like like you apply your blushes or brushes with you apply blushes and everything. So this is a good sunscreen with a touch of foundation. Brushing sunscreen it is, so brush is available inside the pack itself. Color signs, good sunscreen it is. So broad spectrum sunscreen it is. You can see the texture of the powder, it is cosmetic powder, and with a touch of foundation, a nice sunscreen and very nice ingredients. Titanium dioxide is there, zinc oxide is there, preventing UVA and UVB, thus protecting your skin. So like, forget that you have applied the sunscreen only. It's a good sunscreen. You will not even remember that you have applied the sunscreen. A good sunscreen with a brusher, a different kind of sunscreen, a powder based sunscreen that has never been come up in the market. The powder has good amount of moisturizing agents as well, thereby protecting your skin. Moisturizing sunscreen is also there. It is not a cream based sunscreen, so probably you shouldn't be thinking that it is a cream based sunscreen. Yeah, a different kind of product it is. And if you are really into this product, like you want a something, you must be thinking that you want a something different type of sunscreen, then I think you should buy this sunscreen. Because yeah, it's a different kind of sunscreen, something different has arrived in the market. Should you be buying this or no? I'm gonna tell you, watch the video till the end. I'll tell you should you be buying this sunscreen or no. Not a cream based sunscreen, a powdery sunscreen, zinc oxide, titanium oxide, preventing UVA and UVB, a decent SPF. SPF 30 is also a good SPF, so probably protecting you from UVA and UVB both. uh, cannot be applied on the whole body. No, you can apply it only on your face, and you can apply it as you can apply it with a brush. You cannot probably apply it on the whole body, or like on your hands, legs or neck, or any exposed areas on the sun. This cannot be applied. This sunscreen is a part of your makeup. Like, you use a brusher and applies the sunscreen. This sunscreen is simply a part of your makeup. Color Science is a good brand, an older brand that has been bringing a good range of cosmetic products in the market. So I would probably say that it is a good sunscreen and a chemical reaction sunscreen, probably absorbing UV rays. So good sunscreen with a decent SPF. Yes, I would definitely recommend it to you all, that you should buy this sunscreen if you're looking for a different kind of sunscreen that goes with your makeup kit and all. So a different kind of sunscreen, and powder free, hassle free sunscreen, powdery sunscreen, good, and it is surely recommended for you all to buy. That's all for today. Thank you.